Good morning, dear students. My name is Shashank Kumar Verma, and today I am going to discuss the second part of chapter 1. And in this part, our first topic is how to insert commas. So, in this, we will discuss how to insert commas. So, there is two type of place value chart. You know that the first one is Indian place value chart, and the second one is international place value chart. So, in both system, we will discuss how to put commas between the numbers. Now, in this first I will discuss about Indian place value chart. In Indian, how to put the commas in Indian system. So first take example like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can take any type of example. Now, in Indian system, we have to put comma, first comma after 3 digit. Yani here 1 digit, second digit and third digit. You will put comma here. Now second comma put after 2 digit. So this one is first digit and this one is second digit. So here you will put comma. Now also you can understand this like first comma you will place after ones, tens and hundred. This is the first comma, and then second comma you will place 1000, 10,000. So this is how you will insert comma in Indian system. Now come on international system. Now let us take an example like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here you can also write 1. So in this system, how you will put comma? You will put comma after 3 digit, like here first digit, second digit, third digit. So you will put comma here, and after this first digit, second digit and third digit you will put comma here. So in Indian place value system, you will put comma after 3 digit, and the second comma you will put after second digit. And in international place value chart, according to this, you will put comma after 3 digits. Now the second thing is how to write the number name. So our second topic is number name. This I will explain according to one example. Let us take any number 3, 2, 4, 5, 6, 1. Now if you have to write down according to Indian place value chart, so first you should put the commas. So what is the rule of commas? In Indian place value chart, first you will put the comma after 3 digit, so your first digit, second digit and third digit. So here you will put first comma and the second comma after second digit, the first digit and second digit. Now you will write the name of the number. So how you will write down? This is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. So what you will write down? 3, 3 lakh. Now after 3 lakh, again you will count ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. So this is 24,000. So 3 lakh, 24 thousands, and next is 500 61. So this is the number name according to the Indian place value chart. What is the number? 3,24,561. Now come on the international place value. So let us take another example. 2, 3, 4, 6, 1, 4. So in this, what you know, that in this you will put the comma after 3 digit. The first comma you will put 1, 2, 3 digit. So here you will put first comma, and the second comma you will put after 3 digit. So here you can see after there is no digit, so you will not put any comma. So now you will write the name of this number. This is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Okay. So now what you will write down? 200, 30, 4, 234, thousands, and 614. Clear to everyone? So I think now you are able to write down the number name in Indian place according to Indian place value chart, and also according to the international place value chart. Now students, our next topic is estimation. So here we will write estimation. Now our next topic is estimation. So in estimation, what is the concept of estimation? Now we take a number that is 37. You can take any number. So you know that 37 is near about to 30 as well as 40. So one question will come in your mind कि what is the correct? मतलब you will write down 30 of estimation of 37 is 30 r, the estimation of 37 is 40. So for this there is a simple rule. If one's digit is 1, 2, 3, 4, so you will use 0. And if one's digit is 6, 7, 8, 9, you will put 10. How you will use this? Like if there is 31, 32, 33, 34. So you will check what? First digit. Here first digit is 1. Here first digit is 2. Here first digit is 3. Here first digit is 4. So what you will write down? This will become 30. This will also become 30. this will also become 30 and this is also become 30. Why? Because you know that if ones place is 1, 2, 3, 4, this will become 0, because you know that 31 is near about to 30, 32 is also near about to 30, 33 is also near about to 30 and 34 is also near about to 30. But in second case, what I explain, if the number is 38, 36, 39, 37. Okay, here ones place is 8, 6, 9, 10. So what is the mean of this 10? This 10 means it means you will increase 1 in the second digit. It means, and the first digit become 0. So it will become 40. This is also become 40. This is also become 40 and this is also become 40. Clear to everyone? It means in the estimation, simply if the first digit is 1, 2, 3, 4, so this will convert in 0. And if one digit is 8, 6, 7, 8, 9, then you will increase one second digit by 1 and the first digit become 0. Now, after this, there is an important concept of rounding off. So we will discuss in next video. Thank you.